Welcome to today's video where we're going to tackle a common issue that many Python developers face when trying to connect to different versions of SQL Server. If you've ever found yourself unable to connect to SQL Server 2008 in Python, but had no issues connecting to SQL Server 2016, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll explore the possible reasons behind this issue and provide a clear explanation of how to resolve it. As a developer, being able to connect to your database is crucial, and any issues that prevent you from doing so can be frustrating and time-consuming. That's why we're dedicating today's video to helping you overcome this hurdle. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what's causing the issue and how to fix it. So let's dive right in and explore the possible reasons behind your inability to connect to SQL Server 2008 in Python. One of the primary causes of this issue is the difference in protocol versions between SQL Server 2008 and SQL Server 2016. SQL Server 2008 uses the TDs, tabular data stream, protocol version 7, while SQL Server 2016 uses TD's protocol version 7.1 or later. The TD's protocol is responsible for encrypting data transmitted between the client and server, and if there's a mismatch in protocol versions, it can cause connectivity issues. Python libraries, such as PyODDC, which is commonly used to connect to SQL Server databases, may not support older TD's protocol versions by default. Another possible reason for this issue is the absence of certain encryption algorithms that are required for connecting to SQL Server 2008. These algorithms might be deprecated or disabled in newer versions of SQL Server, such as SQL Server 2016. Now, let's break down the steps you can take to resolve this issue. Firstly, you'll need to check your Python library version and ensure it supports the TD's protocol version required by SQL Server 2008. You may need to upgrade or downgrade your library depending on the requirements of your project. Secondly, you'll need to verify that the necessary encryption algorithms are enabled on both the client and server side. This might involve configuring the encryption settings in your Python library or adjusting the server-side configuration. Lastly, if none of these steps resolve the issue, it's possible that there's a firewall or network connectivity problem preventing the connection. You'll need to investigate this further by checking your network configurations and ensuring that the necessary ports are open. To summarize, the main points we've covered in today's video are: the difference in TD's protocol versions between SQL Server 2008 and SQL Server 2016 can cause connectivity issues. Python libraries may not support older TD's protocol versions by default. Encryption algorithms required for connecting to SQL Server 2008 might be deprecated or disabled in newer versions of SQL Server. Steps to resolve the issue include checking library versions, verifying encryption settings, and investigating network configuration. That's it for today's video. We hope this explanation has helped you understand why you're unable to connect to SQL Server 2008 in Python, but can connect to SQL Server 2016. If you have any further questions or need more clarification on any of the points covered, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content related to Python development and database connectivity. We'll catch you in the next video.